was a course from a little town upon a little hill, built on the mound of some sacred earth. They had an altar covered in finely spun silk. It was a bit much, and I'd had enough. I said, "Hey lady, what would you do if you could be anything, if you wanted to be true?" She said, "A pure ball of light, like living stone, not of flesh and bone, just a whiskey moan, and there was a frequency. There is a frequency right in front of me. There is a frequency right inside of me. There is this frequency, why can't you see? A pure bowl of pure light.